Hello everyone. Today we will gain some basic knowledge about the Constitution of India through some multiple choice questions. So without wasting any time, let's start with it. The first question is, at present the Rajya Sabha consists of dash number of members. Options are A 250 members, B 245 members, C 238 members or D 240 members. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is 250 members. The next question is, in 2011, the current leader of the Rajya Sabha was, options are A. Ms. Sonia Gandhi, B. Mr. Arun Jaitley, C. Dr. Pratibha Patil, or D. Dr. Manmohan Singh. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is Dr. Manmohan Singh was the leader of the Rajya Sabha in 2011. The next question is, right to constitutional remedies comes under which of the following heads? Options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Legal rights, C. Constitutional rights, or D. Natural rights. The correct answer to this question is option A, that is, right to constitutional remedies comes under the head of fundamental rights. The next question is, the Indian Constitution recognizes minorities on the basis of which of the following? Options are A. Religion, B. Caste, C. Population, or D. Color. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is, Constitution recognizes the minority on the basis of the number of the population. The next question is, on whom does the Constitution confer special responsibility for the enforcement of the fundamental rights? Options are A. Parliament, B. Supreme Court, D. President, or D. State Legislature. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is, Supreme Court has a responsibility for enforcing the fundamental rights. The next question is, the budget is presented by the Finance Minister to, options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Lok Sabha, or D. Rajya Sabha. The correct answer to this question is option C, that is Lok Sabha. The next question is, the Government of India has launched a new scheme for the girl child. What is the name of the scheme? The options are A. Raj Lakshmi B. Rani Bitia scheme, C. Dhan Lakshmi scheme, or D. Sukanya Samridhi Yogna. The correct answer to this question is option D, that is Sukanya Samridhi Yogna. So now let us understand about this Sukanya Samridhi Yojana. Sukanya Samridhi Yojana is a part of the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao campaign started by the government. This is a saving scheme for the benefit of the girl child. The scheme secures the future of the girl children by encouraging parents to build a fund to meet the expenditure for the education and the marriage of the girl child. It has a number of benefits. The Sukanya Samridhi Yojana accounts pay a quarterly interest of each financial year. The interest rate offered in this is the highest when compared to other small savings schemes. This scheme is also one of the most tax-saving ones. One of the best features of this scheme is the provision of the lock-in period. You can certainly build an adequate amount to provide a bright future for the girl child. The account can also be transferred to another place if required. The next question is, protection of interest of the minorities is envisaged in which of the following articles? Options are A. Article 14, B. Article 29, C. Article 19, or D. Article 32. The correct answer to this question is option B, that is Article 29 gives the protection of interest to the minorities. So let's understand and see what does Article 29 states. Article 29 states protection of interest of the minorities. Clause 1 states that any section of the citizen residing in the territory of India or any part thereof having a distinct language, script, or culture of its own shall have the right to conserve the same. Clause 2 states that no citizen shall be denied admission into any educational institution maintained by state or receiving aid out of the state funds on the ground of only of religion, race, caste, language, or any of them. The next question is the president's rule in a state means that the state is ruled by options are A. The president, B. A caretaker government, C. The CM nominated by the president, or D. The governor of the state. The correct answer to this question is option A. That is, under president rule, the state is ruled by the president. The next question is under which article of the constitution is the president's rule promulgated on any state in India? Options are A. Article 352, B. Article 356, C. Article 360, or D. Article 370. The correct answer to this question is option B. That is, under Article 356, the President's rule is promulgated on any state in India. The next question is who administers the oath of office to the President? Options are A. The Chief Justice of India, B. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. The Prime Minister, or D. The Vice President. The correct answer to this question is option A. That is, the Chief Justice of India administers the oath of office to the President. The next question is the 53rd Amendment inserted a new article conferring full statehood on which of the following states? Options are A. Assam, B. Mizoram, C. Arunachal Pradesh, or D. Tripura. The correct answer to this question is option B. That is, the 53rd Amendment inserted a new article conferring full statehood on Mizoram. The next question is the ninth schedule is added by the first amendment to the Constitution in which of the following years? Options are A. 1949, B. 1950, C. 1951, or D. 1952. The correct answer to this question is option C. That is 1951. The next question is in the parliamentary system of India, the execution is subordinate to which of the following? Options are A. The legislature, B. The judiciary, C. The press, or D. None of the above. The correct answer to this question is A. The legislature. The next question is which schedule deals with the Anti-Defection Act or the Anti-Defection Law? Options are A. 5th schedule, B. 8th schedule, C. 7th schedule, or D. 10th schedule. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is, the 10th schedule deals with the Anti-Defection Law. The next question is the Finance Commission is appointed in every which of the following years? Options are A. 2 years, B. 3 years, C. 4 years, or D. 5 years. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is 5 years. The next question is the Constitution of India was amended for the first time in which of the following years? Options are A. June 1951, B. June 1952, C. July 1952, or D. January 1951. The correct answer to this question is option A. That is, in June 1951, the Constitution of India was amended for the first time. The next question is the President of the Constituent Assembly was which of the following persons? Options are A. Dr. K.M. Munshi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, or D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is, Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the President of the Constituent Assembly. The next question is the Constitution of India came into effect on which of the following dates? The options are A. 6th August 1949, B. 26th November 1949, C. 26 January 1950 or D. 15th August 1947? The correct answer to this question is option C. That is, the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. The last question is, the total number of union territories are option A 4, B 8, C 10 or D 12. The correct answer to this question is option D. That is, there are 8 union territories present in a country.